All right, folks, here we go. Wednesday morning, hump day, halfway there. Couldn't ask for a better start than what we've got here in Chicago. It's going to be a beautiful day. Now, that said, yesterday, not so beautiful. Tech stocks got crushed. NASDAQ down 2%. Former Fed Chairman Janet Yellen, who's now Treasury Secretary, came out and said that the Fed may, emphasize may, need to raise interest rates in the future. That spooked the markets. Tech stocks sold off hard. Right there's kind of some proof in the pudding, right? Every day can be an interesting day. You never know what people are going to say. You never know what Fed governors are going to say. You never know what Treasury Secretary is going to say. There's always macro events that can shake these markets up. That's why you got to be ready. That's why you got to be in there and ready to trade some of this price action. Yesterday was a great day to do it. Now, that said, today, seeing a bit of a bounce in the markets off those lows yesterday. NASDAQ, S&P, Dow, all trading a bit higher. FX, we're at a key level in that dollar, the euro dollar. We saw strength in the dollar yesterday. Could we see another day and break below 1.20? I don't know. We'll see today. Oil, another big mover. Oil up again today, nearly another buck. Broke up above $66 a barrel in WTI. That's a 1% plus move to the upside. Want to thank everybody who joined us for Nadex boot camp yesterday on gold and oil. We had a great day, all-day event of education. We'll have the recording up for you folks who couldn't make it here in the next day or so at nadex.com, so you can get after it as well at your leisure. All right, let's go get some today. Let's have a good one. I'll check in with you again tomorrow.